Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Today I am going to discuss the most important chapter of biology cell cycle. In this video, I will discuss the most important and conceptual MCQs of a cell cycle. So let's start the video. Our first MCQs is cell arises from dash by cell division. Our options are dead cell, new cell, or pre-existing cell. So cell arises from dash by cell division. So cell arises from free existing cell. The right option is C. Dash is the important character of cells. Cell division, cell combination, or cell death. So the important character of cell are cell division. The right option is A. When a cell divides, it produces dash. New cell, daughter cells are dead cell. So when a cell divides, it produces daughter cell. The right option is B. After dash, daughter cell produce their next generation. So after cell division or after some time or after maturity. So daughter cell always produce their next generation after maturity. So the right option is C, maturity. The series of events that take place in a eukaryotic cell leading to its replication is called dash. So the series of events that take place in a eukaryotic cell leading to its replication is called cell cycle. So it is the definition of cell cycle. The cell cycle consists on dash stages 2, 3 or 4. So the cell cycle consists on two main stages. The right option is 2. The two main stages of cell cycle are dash. The first one is interphase, second one is division phase. Both. So both. These both are the two main stages of cell cycle, interphase and division phase. The interphase is also known as dash, resting stage, mitosis or meiosis. So the interphase is also known as resting phase. The right option is A. The longest part of cell cycle is dash. Our option are interphase or division phase. So the longest part of cell cycle is interphase. Dash is the period between the end of one cell division and the start of next division. So interphase or cell division. So the right option is interphase. Interphase is the period between the end of one cell division and the start of next division. Interphase is divided into dash subphases. Our options are 2, 3 or 4. So interphase is divided into 3 subphases. The 3 subphases are dash, G1 phase, G2 phase and S phase. These are the 3 main subphases of interphase. Dash is the first and longest phase of interphase. Our options are G1 phase, G2 phase. So the longest phase of interphase is G1 phase. The right option is G1 and it is also the first phase of interphase. G1 phase daughter cells are prepared for dash. In G1 phase daughter cells are prepared for DNA replication. The duration of G1 phase are dash. Our options are 1 hour, 1 day, or few hours to several days. So it is the longest phase of interphase. So the duration of G1 phase are from a few hours to several days. The right option is C. G stand for dash, group, GIF, or general. So G stand for GIF. The right option is B. In dash, cell duplicates its chromosome in G1 phase, S phase, or G2 phase. So in S phase, the cell duplicate its chromosome. The right option is S phase, and it stands for synthesis. In S phase, DNA molecule of each chromosome is dash. So in S phase, DNA molecules of each chromosomes are copied. The right option is copied. A. Each chromosome consists of dash sister chromatids, or option are 2, 3, or 4. So each chromosome consists of two sister chromatids. The right option is A. During S phase dash occur cell growth, synthesis of protein, or enzyme synthesis. So during S phase, cell growth occur, also synthesis of protein and enzymes occur. So the right option is all. All these occur during S phase. Dash is the period between completion of DNA synthesis and beginning of cell division. G1 phase, G2 phase, or S phase. So G2 phase is the period between completion of DNA synthesis and beginning of cell division. G2 is the last phase of interphase. During dash cell prepare protein, i.e. microtubules framework. So G1 phase, G2 phase, or S phase. So during G2 phase, cell prepare proteins. The right option is B. Dash is the phase in which cells stop division temporarily or permanently. Or option is G1 phase, G2 phase, or GO phase. The right option is GO. Or you also can say G0. The right option is C. Cell of dash enter NGO phase semi-permanently, liver, kidney, or both. So cells of both liver and kidney enter to this phase semi-permanently. The right option is both. While the epithelial cell never enter into GO phase. Our next MCQs is cell divisions occur either by dash. So cell division occur either by mitosis or meiosis. During mitosis, dash passes through a series of changes. So during mitosis, or a cell, nucleus, or chromosome. So the right option is nucleus. During mitosis, nucleus passes through a series of changes. The right option is B. Mitosis takes place in dash cell, prokaryotic cell, or eukaryotic cell. So the right option is eukaryotic cell. Mitosis takes place in eukaryotic cell. In mitosis, cell divides into dash one daughter cell, two daughter cell, or new cell. So in mitosis, cell divides into two daughter cells. The right option is B. In mitosis, the two main stages are dash. So in mitosis, the two main stages are karyokinesis and cytokinesis. These are the main stages which occur in mitosis. In first one, karyo means dash, nucleus or protein. So karyo means nucleus. The right option is nucleus. Kinesis means division. So karyo means nucleus and kinesis mean division. So kinesis is the division of nucleus in a cell. While cytokinesis is the division of dash cell cytoplasm. So cytoplasm is the division of cytoplasm. The right option is B. Karyokinesis is further divided into dash phases. So karyokinesis is further divided into 2, 3, or 4 stages. The right option is 4. It is divided into 4 phases. These 4 phases are dash. So the first phase is prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. These are the phases of karyokinesis, which is the phase of mitosis. Dash is important for multicellular organism to grow. So the right option is mitosis. Mitosis is important for multicellular organisms to grow because it produces new cells. Dead cells are replaced by dash, meiosis or mitosis. So dead cells are replaced by mitosis. The right option is B. We can also consider these are the function of mitosis. Regeneration is the process of dash of organism. Renewal of organisms or removing of organism. So regeneration is the process of renewal of organism, and regeneration is also occurred by mitosis. Meiosis was discovered by Dash in 1876. Our option is Oscar Hartwig or Camillo Golgi. So the right option is A, Oscar. in 1876. Dash is the process in which each daughter cell receives half number of chromosome as parent cell. So meiosis is the process in which each daughter cell receives half number of chromosome as parent cell. You can say it is the definition of meiosis. In meiosis, the diploid number of chromosomes reduced to dash 0 or haploid. So in meiosis, the diploid number of chromosomes reduced to haploid. The right option is B. The two stages of meiosis are dash. So the two stages of meiosis are meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. These are the two important stages of meiosis. The paired number of chromosomes are called dash. So the paired number of chromosomes are called diploid. When chromosomes are not in pair are known as dash. So it is known as haploid, which means chromosomes are not in pair. The meiosis 1 comprises on dash. So meiosis 1 comprises on prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1 and telophase 1. In meiosis 1, the dash separates to produce haploid sets of chromosomes in daughter cells. So in meiosis, the diploid homologous chromosomes separate to produce haploid sets of chromosomes in daughter cell. Generally, meiosis 2 resembles dash, meiosis 1 or mitosis. So generally, meiosis 2 resembles mitosis. Meiosis 2 consists on dash. So meiosis 2 consists on prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2 and telophase 2. These are the phases of meiosis 2. Meiosis occur in dash. Our options are germ cell or somatic cells. So meiosis always occur in germ cell. The right option is A. Meiosis occur during the process of dash. So meiosis occur during the process of sexual reproduction. Mitosis takes place in dash. Our options are germ cells or somatic cells. So mitosis always takes place in somatic cell in body cells. So the right option is A. The male and female gametes fuse together to form dash. So the male and female gametes fuse together to form zygote with diploid number. The zygote undergoes dash and develops into new diploid organisms. So the zygote undergoes into mitosis and develops into new diploid organisms. The right option is mitosis. Dash helps to create genetic variation among the offspring. So meiosis helps to create genetic variation among the offspring. The right option is meiosis. Dash is a way to remove unwanted cell. Apoptosis or necrosis. So apoptosis is a way to remove unwanted cell. Apoptosis is sometimes called dash. So apoptosis is sometimes called programmed cell death. The apoptotic cells are rapidly engulfed by their dash. Our options are neighbor cells. So apoptosis cells are rapidly engulfed by their neighbor cell. The tail of tadpole is disappeared by dash. So the tail of tadpole is disappeared by apoptosis, by the process of apoptosis. In adults, the number of cells is relatively keep constant by prostate. Our option is apoptosis or cell division. So in adults, the number of cells is relatively keep constant by both apoptosis and cell division. The right option is both. Dash is the cell death due to disease or injury, etc. Dash is the cell death due to disease or injury, etc. So necrosis is the cell death which is occurred due to diseases or some injury. Radiation, exposure to toxin, heat, trauma, lack of oxygen, etc. Dash necrosis, heal, cause or treat. So radiation exposure to toxin, heat trauma, lack of oxygen, all these cause necrosis. These are the causes of necrosis. Right option is B. The blockage of blood flow also causes dash. So the blockage of blood flow also causes necrosis. The uncontrolled cell division may cause dash in tissue. So the uncontrolled cell division may cause the formation of tumors in tissues, which may be cancerous or non-cancerous. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.